we stopped. There's our cow friends. We'll see them on the way back. No. Well, should we say hi to the cows now? You want to say hi to the cows? Okay, we'll turn around. Oh, there's more over there. Okay, hang on. We'll turn around up here. Yeah. Anyway, what were we saying? Oh, I kept seeing this hawk was just sitting on you know, a wooden fence or something, and I was like, whoa, look at that, because the way it was sitting was so majestical, like, because it's not an everyday thing, like for us, it's a way, you know, it's not near my house, it's kind of a little way away. Oh, I'll turn here, and I thought I'll drive back, and it was gone. I was like, where's it gone? It was so mystical. And then we were just like, oh, okay, I'll drive back again, and then it appeared again, but we couldn't see it flying around. I mean, obviously it did, but it was just crazy, man. Like, this is insane. Like, we were like, since when? And it kept disappearing. Then we'd drive again, and we'd be like, oh my god, it's there again. It was on another pole, another it's just crazy. Hope you come over again. We saw the leaves today, didn't we, son? There's heaps of hawks right over there. There's one up there. Hey cows, we'll come say hi again. Yeah. So where I can actually put the phone, so I'm just holding it. Come on. We'll take a hikoi.
Mommy?
Yes, my love.
It's so hard that way.
You don't want to go this way? It's the forest. We have to go find the forest monster. We'll just go for a little bit.
Mommy, let's go that way.
Kiruru.
Tito,
Yeah, Kiruru. Hi,
here.
Kiruru.
Hey, Mom.
There it is, up there.
Up there.
See up there?
Where?
Should we try to get him to move? Oh, that might be annoying for him. We shouldn't do that. Hi, Kiruru.
I need to go that way. I need to go that way.
It's so nice to see they're still around.
I want to so high.
Yeah, come on then.
Need
So we'll just take some
car, Mom.
footage.
Take your car.
The car?
Car.
Come on.
Take your car. Go that way.
Kiruru.
Tito,
Yeah, Kiruru. Hi, Kiruru.
here. Hey, Mom.
There it is, up there.
Up there.
See up there?
Where?
Should we try to get him to move? Oh, that might be annoying for him. We shouldn't do that. Hi, Kiruru.
I need to go that way. I need to go that way.
It's so nice to see they're still around.
I want to so high.
Yeah, come on then.
Need
So we'll just take some
car, Mom.
footage.
Take your car.
The car?
Car.
Come on.
Take your car, Mom.
No, we're not going back to the car, son. We're going for a walk.
Take your car, Mom.
Soon. Mind you, this kid will be hiking a lot in his life. Wow. Isn't it beautiful, son? Wow. So we come from over there, we go over the hill, and then we're going to go all the way around there. I wonder if I'll get my phone call today about my van. Are they raspberries? They're spiky. Might be boysenberry raspberries. Yeah,
Mom.
yeah.
I'm not finding you.
Ooh, you're fast! Looks like another walkway out there. Hello, bird.
Oh, hi, bird.
Beautiful day.
Pat.
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 Hey. Gentle, no hitting.
Pat.
Don't you put the sand on me. Are we going to have a song? Put some music on.
Sorry. Yes. Oh.
Come on. We'll take a hikoi.
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
let's show her that way.
You don't want to go this way. It's the forest. We have to go find the forest monster. We'll just go for a little bit.
Huh? Mommy.
Okay,